green algae. Did you see something in there that you liked?
Honestly, I thought I saw gold. Guess I was being tricked.
Haha, that's why it's called fool's gold.
Bitches. But look at this prospecting area, my goodness. And that looks tempting. And that, oh, look at all those colors. Trying to follow the rules.
Huh?
Follow the rules. Does it look like I got a stick up my ass? Or is it just a walking stick smacking my ass? Okay, that's what it is. All right. You shall not pass.
I'm trying to think, how many miles is it?
I'm not really counting miles today, baby.
Why not? I was just wondering.
I do not know. I don't know. Why? Because you're not out of breath and you're still walking?
Yeah.
And you're trying to figure out what the fuck?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. It means you had a really good energized breakfast with a bunch of protein, carbohydrates, and a bunch of fruit blends to get you the energy you needed. And you're basically been going downhill this whole time.
Oh, that explains it.
But a very gradual. So this is what it looks like uphill. Just further away. Do you know why it's so smooth? Because we're following the river. River isn't going to jettison downhill, is it?
Yeah.
No, sure won't. Stagnant pond.
Feel pretty. So pretty. Pretty. Pretty.
Lesbo-ish. Huh? Fuck did that happen? Here I find myself again in a dilemma. Something that looks fun. Till next time.